Hey, welcome to Luxitam, or welcome back to Luxitam if you've seen before. Um, Real quick update, just working on getting ready to put the foundation in on the blockchain foundation to build e-commerce on top of, and then compare it truthfully with traditional Shopify, Magento type of e-commerce. So I'm still working on that, couple 3 weeks out on that one. In the meantime, I do want to show this right here so you guys can go look this up. I'll put a link in the description below. In today's video, real quick, just a quick hot topic is Fed Chair Powell says digital dollar is a high priority project. It goes into other things with Coin Bureau. Check his channel out, subscribe to his channel. Again, link in the description below. He is phenomenal. He's got to be one of the top channels on crypto that you can definitely be assured that he does his research and he knows what he's talking about. So clearly we have here the Fed Chair, Jay Powell, says digital dollar is a high priority project. And in this video, that I want you just to see a part of it so you know which video to go to. I'll put a link in the description below. Fed targeting crypto. This will shock you. Go check out his video. Amazing information and very current. So my take on it is just to say that what we're looking at going on here is you have the infrastructure bill with Congress right now that is looking to slide in some, and this is I'm going to show you another link to a video in just a second where Nomad Capitalist talks about how there's going to be some crypto taxation policy possibly slipped into this infrastructure bill. And that's usually how things are done. So you have this big grandiose bill, but then they slide this, and this under, and the law of the land becomes law of the land, and you're none the wiser until you file your taxes and find out you didn't do it right. So I'm just trying to get information that I'm seeing out there. So if anyone wants to go look for themselves, feel free. So let me take a quick look at that right here. Give me a sec to pull this up. Right here.
Also, how the IRS is trying to nail crypto.
Let's see. Yeah, so I'll just show this. Check out his video. It's pretty good.
Tax dodgers, saying that the tax man is coming.
You have Nomad Capitalist right here. Nomad Capitalist. New crypto taxes coming to the U.S. Infrastructure Bill explained. I'll put a link in the description below. Yet another good channel. He's really, really good. So I just wanted to bring out those couple of alerts of what we're dealing with those two shots over there. I'm still working on the blockchain. I'm testing how resourceful it is right now to actually try to sink your teeth into building an e-commerce solution solely on the blockchain. So from beginning to end, you don't have a Shopify store or an Etsy store or anything like that that accepts cryptocurrency. I'm already looking at that, but what I'm looking to try to solve is, can you build very securely a blockchain start point e-commerce store? Boom, you put products on there and people are transacting not just in crypto, but in fiat and crypto, but built on the blockchain. I got to see how that's going to work. I don't know if it's going to have to be convert your USD or any other currency into a stable coin. But as you can see in the video prior that I'm referring to with Jay Powell, he says the digital dollar is a high priority project. So that means that, and we heard about anyone in this space that paid any attention pretty much knew a couple of years ago that the Federal Reserve had already been started working on an app called Fed Now. And that's like an app you would have on your phone. And you know how they gave out the I don't know what you want to call it, the stimulus money during COVID and all that kind of stuff. So instead of you having a direct deposit come to your bank account or a check come to your mailbox, you could have an app on your phone and you receive, X amount of dollars, digital dollars a month. Goes along the lines of Andrew Yang, who was running for president and then running for mayor of New York, failed. And he has this idea where he's like the $2,000 a month basic income or whatever. Like everybody just gets money every month if you need it, or if you qualify. So the way that they would be able to do that quickly is to get the money pumped into an app that you have on your phone, and then you have 30, 60, 90 days to expend it, because they don't want people storing it up. They're going to want that money moving around to get the economy moving. So they've been talking about that. Well, the delivery system is going to be a lot easier if the Federal Reserve and the U.S. Treasury, in effect, merge and become a solid unit, which they already kind of are. And basically, now we just have direct funneling of money into your hands. That takes the banks out of being the middleman with your money, because traditionally a bank gets the money from the Fed or the Treasury on down, and then you go to the bank and access liquidity and do what you do. Loans, cash, this, that, whatever. So if they go direct to you, so you got the printing press, which is the Federal Reserve, and the U.S. Treasury Department, which is the policymaker of fiscal and monetary policy, all tied up in one and directed right to you in a moment's notice, which is what blockchain is and what a digital dollar would be. Think of what they could do with that. Good, bad, or indifferent, I'm not here to judge. I'm just showing that there are things happening, and these guys out here like Nomad Capitalist and Coin Bureau are gleaning this information. They're bringing it to people. So I'm just kind of recycling what they've done and pushing it out there and saying, hey, I too am looking at what they're saying, and I'm starting to dig in a little bit to see what's going on. Hopefully this information was helpful. I'm only doing about a video a week right now because I have too many efficiencies that I've been working on all at the same time to even be consistent enough to put out more content. But I think that my content from here on out, I'm just doing these videos as heads up, take a look, because I want to keep YouTube happy with me doing the videos. So, but pretty soon my videos are going to become more functional for people to use to build things that I'm trying to build, or to join up and try to build them. Whether that catches on or not is neither here nor there to me. I'm just going to put it out there for the eventuality that it could. But for sure, it's going to be more functional, and I'm getting really close. Like I said, I had to finish off my schools, do all this other stuff, get more certified so that I can not make any mistakes to the best of my ability. So hope you enjoy this. Take a look at Coin Bureau. Take a look at Nomad Capitalist. Those are the titles of the two channels on YouTube. Those guys have great content. I follow and watch their content every single day. They're fantastic. Check that out, and be on the lookout for what's going on that are not promoting directly with the new bills and stuff like that are going up. Just make sure you pay attention and see how it could possibly affect your strategies. Not an advisor, just hopefully this helps out. You guys take it easy and have a good day.